But for me, oftentimes, I'm building onto something existing. And so what if I want to make me a little action figure, a helmet right there, and I would like to add some detail to it? Well, I can't use Super Sculptor because I got to bake it in the oven, and that's going to warp my plastic. Craftman, you know you can boil that in water and it will cure it too. Well, you know, I still don't want to boil that in water. So the fact that it's sticky and you don't have to bake it, that means you can do things like that right there. So I took an action figure helmet there and stuck me on some epoxy clay. That's what fixes sculpt right there. I literally just stuck it on now and then just took it, shaped it how I needed it to be. And then once it's cured, what can you do? That's how we're looking so far. Oh, hello. You can sand it.